a little game that we're going to play. You have to choose the clock that shows the time, and it actually just said, choose the clock that shows
Find the
6.
clock that reads 6 o'clock.
There we go. It shows 6 o'clock. So we have to look at all these different clocks and find 6 o'clock. I know that we need to look for a shorthand pointing to the 6 and a long hand pointing to the 12. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is.
Which clock shows the time 3 o'clock?
All right, 3 o'clock. Shorthand on the 3, long hand on the 12. See if you can find it.
Which clock says 5 o'clock? Which clock says 6:30?
Oh, 6:30. So 30 means the long minute hand is on the 6 because that's 30 minutes past. That's half past. And so we know this one's on the 6, but the hour hand's not on the 6 for 6:30. It's on the 3. So let's look at this one. Turned green. We got it right. Fun.
You are a master.
There are some other games on here that you guys can do at home. So you'll just go to education.com and then you can choose from some games there. It may ask you to log in, and you shouldn't have to have a code or anything. It should just be a username and a password or something, so you can create an account and it will keep your scores and keep your records and just have fun with it. Hey guys, I just thought I would jump on here and show you something I made about time. So we have these little boards in our classroom that you can hold. And this one says, how many ways can you show time? And you flip it over. And I made this little graph or little chart for you to look at of all the different ways we can look at time. Now in the middle, I have our analog clock. And it is showing the hour hand between the 9 and the 10 and the minute hand at the 6. And we remember whenever it's pointing to the 6, that means 30. It doesn't really mean 6, not for the minute hand. It means 30. So this time on the analog clock is 9:30. Well, going off of 9:30, I want to show all different ways to show 9:30. So we have the digital time with the hour and the minutes, 9:30. I have the word written out, 9:30. We also know that 30 means half past. So you might hear someone say it's 9:30. That means it's 9:30. And then I put these two in there and it says 30 minutes ago it was 9 o'clock. So with it being 9:30 right now, 30 minutes ago, it was 9 o'clock. And then in 30 minutes, it will be 10 o'clock. So 9:30 is right in between. It's right in the middle of 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So I just kind of wanted to show you this. I thought that was fun to make. We usually use these boards to show all the ways to show a number. So we might put 24 in here, and we might put the word 24 written out. We might show 2 10s and 4 1s. We might show an equation, 20 plus 4. But I thought this would be fun to use with time. So I want you guys to be looking at your clocks in your house and figuring out all the ways to show that time. Now remember, we're just doing o'clock and we're just doing 30. So be practicing those, okay?